Hi guys, today I'll show you how to connect Slack with Monday.com using Integrately, a quick way to move Slack updates straight into your boards. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. Let's get started. Search and select Slack as your first app, then choose Monday.com as your second. To set up your workflow, either select a pre-built one-click automation or customize one by choosing your preferred trigger and action. From the one-click automations in Integrately, pick Send Slack Message for new Monday.com item and click Activate. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Next, connect your Monday.com account by pasting your API key. Then select the board that will trigger the automation. Now connect your Slack account by clicking Sign in to Slack to authorize the connection. In the Builder, configure your Slack message by selecting the recipient's username from the drop-down. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, every new Monday.com item will trigger a Slack message through Integrately. That's it. Slack to Monday.com automated with Integrately. Like, subscribe, and check the description link to set it up.